The Find a Doctor tool is very helpful when you're new to a city. I've moved quite a bit in my career, and this was the first city that I was able to use such a tool.
A good internist will always know which problems you have to worry about or which problems you do not have to worry about.
I like the idea of getting to know families over time and taking care of them through the long term.
I see myself really as a translator, a navigator, a trusted advisor to sort of make sense of everything that patients hear regarding their health.
To be able to go in and look at a physician's video and listen to their words and examine their career through a resume about their lives and their careers and their preparation was very helpful and comforting to me. Number one, you can find a primary care physician. But then when I needed specialist care, I was able to shop for those interviews, look at those physicians, compare them to each other.
You're not visibly limping when you have a shoulder and elbow problem, but it's a quality of life issue.
We can tell that the operations we're doing are, number one, they're very effective. The results are getting what we want, which is pain relief and return back to function.
We see improvements in that surgeries where patients may have been in the hospital for 1, 2, 3 days after surgery are now done routinely on an outpatient basis.
For that was a wonderful tool. The third use is when you have family and friends who want you to help them, it sort of puts you in a difficult spot, because what if you recommend someone and that doesn't appeal to them? So by sending them to the Find a Doctor tool, you've given them the first step, and then by themselves with their husbands, wives, family, they can make the next step of looking at the interviews and reading the same thing that I have read and make a decision for themselves.